Afghanistan, a landlocked country nestled in the heart of Asia, often evokes images of rugged landscapes and towering mountains. While this image holds true, it only tells a part of the story. Beyond the rugged exterior lies a country brimming with breathtaking scenery, a tapestry woven with vibrant colors and serene landscapes. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of Afghanistan, exploring its diverse ecosystems and marveling at nature's artistry. From snow-capped peaks to verdant valleys, Afghanistan's beauty knows no bounds. Get ready to be captivated by the raw, untamed beauty that defines this remarkable country. Let's begin our exploration in the Wakhan corridor, a narrow strip of land in northeastern Afghanistan, where towering mountains pierce the sky and a ribbon of emerald green, the Panjshir River, carves its way through the rugged terrain. The Wakhan corridor, often referred to as the roof of the world, is a sight to behold. This narrow strip of land, nestled between the towering ranges of the Pamirs and the Hindu Kush, stretches for about 350 kilometers. It is a place where the raw beauty of nature is on full display, untouched and unspoiled by modern civilization. Imagine colossal mountains, their peaks eternally capped with snow, standing as silent guardians over this remote region. These mountains, some of the highest in the world, create a dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape that leaves visitors speechless. The sheer scale and majesty of these peaks are a testament to the incredible forces of nature that shaped this land over millennia. The air is thin, the silence almost deafening, broken only by the gentle whisper of the wind and the occasional cry of a soaring eagle. The thin atmosphere at these altitudes creates a unique environment, where every breath feels crisp and pure. The wind, a constant companion, carries with it the stories of the mountains and the valleys below, whispering secrets to those who listen. The Wakhan is home to nomadic Kyrgyz people, who traverse these high-altitude pastures with their herds of yaks and sheep, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythm of nature. These resilient people have adapted to the harsh conditions of the region, living in harmony with the land and the animals they depend on. Their way of life, passed down through generations, is a testament to human endurance and ingenuity. Their yurts, traditional tents made of felt, dot the landscape, adding splashes of color to this otherwise stark yet mesmerizing landscape. These portable homes are perfectly suited to the nomadic lifestyle, providing warmth and shelter in the harsh mountain environment. The sight of these yurts, with their intricate designs and vibrant colors, is a reminder of the rich cultural heritage of the Kyrgyz people. As we journey further into the Wakhan, we encounter a sight that takes our breath away, the shimmering turquoise waters of Lake Chakmakding. This high-altitude lake, fed by glacial meltwater, is a stunning contrast to the rugged mountains that surround it. The clear, blue-green waters reflect the sky and the peaks, creating a picture-perfect scene that seems almost too beautiful to be real. Nestled amidst the towering peaks, this high-altitude lake seems like a mirage, its beauty both ethereal and awe-inspiring. The tranquility of the lake, with its calm waters and serene surroundings, offers a moment of peace and reflection in the midst of the wild and untamed landscape. It is a place where one can truly appreciate the majesty of nature and the timeless beauty of the Wakhan corridor. Leaving the rugged heights of the Wakhan corridor, we journey south towards the Panjshir Valley, a region that has long been a symbol of resistance and resilience in Afghanistan. The journey itself is a transition from the harsh, craggy peaks to a more inviting and serene landscape. The Panjshir Valley is a verdant oasis in the heart of Afghanistan. Here, the landscape softens, offering a stark contrast to the rugged terrain we left behind. The valley is a lush, green sanctuary, a place where nature seems to have taken a gentler hand. The towering peaks give way to rolling hills blanketed in a patchwork of emerald green fields and orchards laden with fruit. These orchards are a testament to the fertility of the land, providing sustenance and beauty in equal measure. The sight of these fields, with their orderly rows of trees and crops, is a reminder of the valley's agricultural heritage. The Panjshir River, its waters a brilliant turquoise, snakes its way through the valley, carving a path through the landscape. The river is the lifeblood of the valley, its gentle murmur a constant presence that soothes the soul. The clear blue waters are a stark contrast to the arid regions of Afghanistan, offering a refreshing sight. Along its banks, the river nurtures a ribbon of green, a fertile strip where life thrives. The sound of the river, a gentle, continuous murmur, is a soothing backdrop to the daily life of the valley's inhabitants. Traditional Afghan houses, their mud walls baked a warm ochre by the sun, stand amidst groves of poplar trees, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. These homes, with their simple yet sturdy construction, blend seamlessly into the landscape, a testament to the harmony between the people and their environment. The Panjshir Valley is a place of peace and tranquility, a stark contrast to the rugged beauty of the Wakhan. Here, the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of birdsong, creating an atmosphere of serene contentment. Life in the Panjshir Valley moves at a slower pace, dictated by the seasons and the rhythm of nature. The people here live in harmony with their surroundings, their daily activities closely tied to the land and the changing seasons. From planting and harvesting crops to tending to livestock, each task is performed with a sense of purpose and connection to the earth. It's a place where one can truly appreciate the simple beauty of life. The valley offers a respite from the chaos of the outside world, a place where one can find peace and reflection. The beauty of the Panjshir Valley lies not just in its stunning landscapes, but in the way it nurtures the soul, offering a sanctuary for those who seek it. Section 4. Exploring the Blue Mosque's Azure Splendor. From the serene natural landscapes, we turn our attention to the architectural marvels of Afghanistan, starting with the breathtaking Blue Mosque in Mazar-e-Sharif. This architectural gem, with its intricate blue-tiled mosaics, stands as a testament to the country's rich artistic heritage. Step into the mosque's courtyard, and you'll be greeted by a sea of azure, the intricate tilework shimmering under the Afghan sun. The mosque's domes, adorned with geometric patterns and verses from the Quran, seem to reach for the heavens, their beauty both humbling and awe-inspiring. The Blue Mosque is not just a place of worship, it's a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, a symbol of Afghanistan's rich cultural heritage, and a testament to the enduring power of art and faith. Section 5. The ancient city of Herat, a cultural tapestry. Our journey takes us westward to Herat, one of Afghanistan's oldest cities, a place where history comes alive. Nestled in the fertile valley of the Hari River, Herat has been a crossroads of civilizations for centuries. Its strategic location made it a coveted prize for empires and conquerors, each leaving their indelible mark on the city's cultural and architectural landscape. Known as the Pearl of Khorasan, Herat boasts a rich cultural tapestry, evident in its ancient mosques, bustling bazaars, and the warmth of its people. The city's heritage is a blend of Persian, Central Asian, and Islamic influences, creating a unique mosaic that is both captivating and enchanting. The mosques, with their intricate tilework and grand minarets, stand as testaments to the city's spiritual and artistic legacy. Dominating the city's skyline is the citadel of Herat, its imposing walls whispering tales of empires past. This ancient fortress, also known as the Citadel of Alexander, has stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of dynasties. It offers a panoramic view of the city, a reminder of Herat's historical significance and its enduring spirit. Step back in time as you wander through the city's labyrinthine alleys, the air thick with the aroma of spices, the sounds of life swirling around you. These narrow streets, lined with centuries-old buildings, tell stories of merchants, travelers, and artisans who once thrived here. The vibrant energy of the bazaar, with its colorful stalls and lively chatter, transports you to a bygone era. Lose yourself in the bustling bazaar, where merchants hawk their wares, carpets woven with intricate designs, each telling a story of its own. The craftsmanship of Herat's artisans is renowned, with each piece reflecting the city's rich cultural heritage. From hand-woven textiles to delicate jewelry, the bazaar is a treasure trove of traditional Afghan artistry. Spices piled high in colorful mounds, their vibrant hues and intoxicating scents beckon you to explore further. The spice market is a sensory delight, offering a glimpse into the culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations. Each spice, from saffron to cumin, plays a vital role in the rich tapestry of Afghan cuisine, and the sweet scent of freshly baked bread filling the air. The bakeries of Herat are famous for their delicious offerings, from naan to sweet pastries. The sight of golden loaves emerging from traditional clay ovens is a comforting reminder of the city's enduring culinary traditions. Herat is a feast for the senses, a city that lingers in your memory long after you've bid it farewell. Its vibrant culture, rich history, and welcoming people create an experience that is both profound and unforgettable. As you leave Herat, you carry with you not just memories, but a piece of its soul, a testament to the enduring spirit of this ancient city